Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the 85% of the words of Al-Qur'an series. In lesson 7, we are covering sound masculine plurals. In this part 1, we will cover 12 words that have been used in the Qur'an 261 times. So let's begin with a quick introduction. Bismillah. An Arabic noun can be singular, dual, or plural. We have covered duals in the lesson 6. Here we're covering one type of plural called sound masculine plurals. A singular word can be in 3 different i'rab. It can be rafa, nasab, or jar. All of them, of course, means a Muslim. For the sound masculine plural, we only have 2 endings. We have muslimuna for rafa, muslimina for nasab, and muslimina for jar. So the nasab and the jar ending is exactly the same. Therefore, all 3 will be translated in English as Muslims. Muslims. Sound masculine plural. And the 2 endings you need to remember are una and ina. Una, ina. And your example word is muslimuna, muslimina. To understand how plurals are used in Arabic, please refer to my grammar series called Language of Quran Easier Than English, lesson number 4. And inshallah, I'll put a link in the description below. The data will be presented in this format. The Rafa version first here, Muslimuna, for example. Its frequency of occurrence will be in this box. And then the Nasab and Jar version, Muslimina, for example, frequency of occurrence in the Quran here. And the English translation, basic one. And the total number of times these 2 words occur in the Quran. Here will be the list number. So we'll begin with number 1 to 12 in this series, insha'Allah. Ajma'una, ajma'ina, all of them. Aqrabuna, aqrabina, relatives. Awwaluna, awwalina, former people. Akharuna, akharina, the later generation. Aminuna, aminina, secure, safe. Banuna, banina, children, sons. Jahiluna, jahilina, ignorant. Hafizuna, hafizina, those who guard. Khasiruna, khasirina, losers. Khashi'una, khashi'ina, humble, submissive. Khaliduna, khalidina, abide forever. Sajiduna, sajidina, those who prostrate. The list of the 12 words and the 2 versions of them each are here on the screen. Please take a screenshot and do write them down in your own notebook. This will help you recognize 261 words of Al-Qur'an. May Allah reward you for your interest in learning Arabic to understand Quran. May Allah grant us all the ability to read, understand, learn, practice, and give dawah to the Quran. Until the next video, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.